Howdy folks, I'm Josh. I'm a security analyst over here at GoSearch. Today, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit about these data connectors. So you'll see we got two types, workspace and personal. So workspace connectors can only be set up by your admins. And when they're set up, allow access to documents that all internal employees would be able to already see. Probably wondering, well, what does that mean? For example, you'll see that we have Google Drive set up here. So if I were to search and find a document, say this Google Doc in particular, it would have to have these settings up here, where general access is set to Go links. That meaning anybody in the company is able to see it. So if we went to GoSearch and we searched up for that document, with the workspace connector set up, it would query and show the results. Next is the personal data connectors, where you see we have pretty similar things, Slack, Gmail, Google Drive, but they're handled a lot differently. The reason is we really want to honor your privacy. As a security-first company, the thing is we don't want to store any of your personal data. We don't want to know what's on your Google Drive, your Slack messages, and I'm sure you don't want anybody else to know that either. So we did this completely differently and reworked how we were able to store and query data. For workspace connectors, you have your admin set up. For personal data connectors, you have to go in and set these up and allow them to search your apps. Another difference, for workspace data connectors, what happens is whenever we index and store the documents, it's able to be queried at the same time regardless of who you are. Personal data connectors, we never store and index your documents. What we actually do instead, to make sure we never have your documents stored on our database, servers, or anywhere, is use pass-through responses from an API. That means as you make a search and you want to find any document, if you have your workspace and personal data connector set up, the workspace connector will go through and query what has been indexed so we get a quick response, and the personal data connector will do that search right then and there without going to any database and merge the responses into one formative answer. That's really all I have for you guys today. If you have any other questions or concerns regarding workspace and personal data connectors, let us know. I'd be happy to teach you guys more. Thank you.